Welcome friends, in this important and emergency video I will do technical analysis of Bitcoin and Ethereum, and I will tell you my next target for these two coins. So please watch this video complete and please subscribe my YouTube channel, join my Telegram channel for more informative content and very useful information. Links are in this video's description, and please thumbs up the like button right now for the motivation. Here you can see this is CoinGecko page, and currently Bitcoin is down 3.6%, Ethereum is down 6%. Binance Coin is down 5.8%, Polkadot is down at 12.3%, XRP down 11%, Uniswap down 12%, and all major coins are in red and in this bloodbath. And let me please show you my next target for the Bitcoin and Ethereum. And if you want to trade Bitcoin and Ethereum on Binance Exchange, then please go to in this video description where you can get the link of Binance Exchange. Just click on this link and create your account. It will take only 20 seconds. And if you want to do leverage trading on Binance Exchange, and if you want to get $200 bonus, which is absolutely free after deposit some amount, this is the link of Bybit Exchange. Sorry. Thanks for the watching, and please keep supporting, and please thumbs up the like button right now. This is the Bitcoin US dollar 4-hour chart, and here you can see Bitcoin is currently trading at $55,400. And let me please convert it into daily chart, and here you can see. Sorry, it is a 1-hour chart, and these red lines are upside resistances, and these green lines are downside support lines. And it is currently trading at this level. Here you can see $52,360. $2, and it breaks this symmetrical triangle towards downside. Here you can see. According to the pattern, if we calculate the height of this symmetrical triangle from there to there, or you can say there to there, then what will be our target? Let me please show you. Bitcoin can drop to $44,000. This is the target of this symmetrical triangle because this is the massive, here you can see massive breakout, and here you can see easily how beautifully Bitcoin break this. Maybe price down to this level. This is the breakout, and after that Bitcoin is ready to retest this zone, and after that maybe it will go down to hit these levels. But for this Bitcoin should have some volume. Let me please show you the volume of this chart. Please stay in this video, and please thumbs up the like button right now. Currently volume is not supporting to this breakdown, and volume is very low in this chart. Here you can see. Let me please show you. Here you can see at the point where Bitcoin drops. Here you can see there was big volume and big red candle, and after that some small candles, and which is indicating that maybe some sideways move, but I am not sure. According to the pattern, this is the target, 44,000 or maybe 45,000. But for this, Bitcoin should have to break these levels, 51,500, 49,200, 46,100, 45,000, 43,800. And these are the levels, and these are major support zone for the Bitcoin right now. But unfortunately Bitcoin is in downtrend. Maybe we see some pullback from that zone, which is $51,500, and after that it will hit again 53,500, and it will go down after retesting this. But now currently it is in $55,400, and let's see what's happened. And this is the major moving average 200 candles line. Here you can see, and at that point Bitcoin break down towards downside, and here you can see Bitcoin how rapidly Bitcoin price falls, and how speedy Bitcoin falls. And let me please show you what is this. This is the downfall of approximately 10%. Bitcoin down 10% to its to that point, which was the neckline of this W pattern. In my last video, I was told you once Bitcoin break this neckline, then it will go down. It will go up to hit 60,000, maybe 62,000, maybe 63,000. but unfortunately Bitcoin reject from that zone. Here you can see Bitcoin reject from this zone, and Bitcoin fails to break this, and after that we see this dip, and currently is at $52,363. But volume is not supporting, maybe some sideways action, and after that it will go down. But according to the pattern, according to this triangle pattern, Bitcoin have to go to 44,000, maybe 45,000. These are the levels, and maybe Bitcoin will bounce back from that zone. And once Bitcoin break this zone, which is $54,000, in that case, this pattern will invalidate. This will do a crazy move, I think so. And if Bitcoin break $54,000 and close hourly candle above this level, and close hourly candles above $54,000 to $55,000 level, in that case, no need to focus on this pattern more. And I think we should have to focus once Bitcoin break this downtrend line, which is currently is at $51,500, and you can say $51,600. In that case, it is ready to go down to hit this level. And let me please show you the EMA ribbon. EMA ribbon is currently is at this zone, right at the upside trend line, and it is currently is at $53,800. For upside movement, Bitcoin should have to break this EMA ribbon, which is currently acting like a resistance for the Bitcoin, and it is currently is at $54,700. Once Bitcoin break $54,700, in that case, price of the Bitcoin will go down, and in that case, no need to focus on this pattern. This pattern will invalidate after hitting, once Bitcoin hit $54,800. This is very, very crucial level for the Bitcoin right now. So all eyes on this level. This is the support zone, which is $51,500, and second is $54,800. If Bitcoin break this support zone, which is $51,500, in that case, it is ready to go to hit this 54,000 or maybe 55,000. And if Bitcoin break this upside trend line, which is at $55,800, in that case, and if Bitcoin break this line to this EMA ribbon, which is currently is at $54,800, in that case, this pattern will invalidate and Bitcoin will go up. Otherwise, Bitcoin will go down. This is the technical analysis, and this is the technical analysis of Bitcoin. And let me please show you the Ethereum. Friends, please keep supporting me. Ethereum rejected from that zone, which is $1,740 or $40, and after that we see a massive pullback from Ethereum price. Ethereum is currently is creating lower lows. Here you can see Ethereum is creating lower lows, and this will be the indication that maybe price will go more down, and it is currently is at $1,577 level. Let me please show you, and let me please do this. And please, friends, keep supporting me. It is currently at 1577. Once it break this zone, which is this support zone, which is at 1507, or you can say $1,500 level. This is the support zone. Once Ethereum break this support zone, in that case, Ethereum have to hit this. This will be our first target for the Ethereum. Once Ethereum break $1,500 price support, and after that it will be our first target. Let me please arrange the chart again, and let me please show you. And our second target, which is this. Our second target will be this $1,160. These are two targets currently for the Ethereum right now, but all eyes are on this level, $1,500 support level. If Ethereum break this support zone, then definitely 1,367, maybe 1,360, and after that 1,162. Here you can see very big candle, big red candle, and after that some green candles, but I am not sure. Maybe it will pull back, but according to the pattern, it is like a pattern, and it is like a triangle. Here you can see, according to the pattern, 1,367 and 1,162. I think these are very realistic target for the Bitcoin. Sorry for the Ethereum right now. Let me please show you the EMA ribbon. EMA ribbon is currently acting like resistance for the Ethereum to move towards the upside. 1620 is at $1,620 to $1,690. For upside movement, Ethereum should have to break this EMA ribbon, otherwise it will go down to hit these levels. Let me please show you the moving average. This is the moving average line, and this is the 200 moving average, and let me please change the color of this. Please keep supporting me, friends, and please thumbs up the like button right now for the motivation. Here you can see this blue line is 200 moving average line, and candles are far below from this, and this is the indication that maybe Ethereum will go down to hit these levels very soon. These are the levels, and here you can see when candle cross this 200 moving average line, then candle moved towards the upside, and this was the move of approximately 28%. And when candles cross this towards downside, in that case, this was the move of 5%, and now, sorry for that, and this is now approximately 50% price down. These are very realistic target for the Ethereum right now. Ethereum should have to cross this upside resistance, which is at $1,650, and it should have to break this upside yellow trend line, which is currently is at $1,660. Once Ethereum break these two resistances, this is the resistance level, and once Ethereum break these two resistances and close overly candle above this zone, and close overly candle above this zone, and close overly candles above $1,650 and $1,660, sorry, in that case price will go up. Once it break this upside trend line, then price of the Ethereum will go up, otherwise it will go down or some sideways action. I'm sure that these are the targets. These are the current targets for the upside movement. Ethereum should have to break this zone, which is $1,660. Once Ethereum break this zone, $1,660, and close overly candles above this zone, in that case the price of the Ethereum will go up. Otherwise it will retest this zone, which is $1,500 support zone, and after that it will go down. Let's see what's happened, and maybe price pullbacks, but this was the emergency video for all of you. And if you want to support me, then please thumbs up the like button, and please share this video with all of your friends, and please keep supporting me and join my Telegram channel for regular update and more informative content. And if you want to trade Bitcoin and Ethereum on Bybit exchange or on Binance exchange, go to in this video's description where you can get the link of these exchanges. Click on the Binance exchange link and create your account. It will take only 20 seconds. And this is the link of Bybit exchange. It will take only 20 seconds to make these accounts. Thanks for the watching. Keep supporting me. Take care.